So all the TIS aspirants who are preparing for the Tissnet 2022, guys, I know you are stick with your preparation and you are focusing on all the sections now. Might be कुछ आपके strong zones होंगे and कुछ weak zones होने वाले हैं, but are you making your strong zones to better one to score more marks in the Tissnet? Guys, 75 plus, as the competition is going tougher each year. 75 प्लस का टारगेट लेकर चलो. ऑलमोस्ट 70 अगर आप स्कोर करते हो देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर ईच पर्टिकुलर कोर्स जो भी आपने प्रेफरेंसेस दिए, आइदर 1, 2 और 3 प्रेफरेंसेस, चाहे आपने 1, 2, 3 प्रोग्राम्स चूज किए. नाउ टेल मी, क्वांट इज योर स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन और जीके स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन है, लेकिन फिर भी सिलेबस काफ़ी फास्ट है. सो कमिंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर पिक्चर, ये भी वीक जोन्स बन रहा है. इंग्लिश, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग और DI. So guys, watch this particular video till the end because we'll talk about the sectional wise courses as only 10 to 12 days remains for your exam day, and that is nothing but the 26th of Feb. So guys, this is with respect to the section wise preparation booster. Now if you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe our new YouTube channel Manoeuvre TIS Entrance, इसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है guys. यहाँ आपको बहुत सारे अपडेट्स मिलने वाले हैं. Now what is my strong zone? Guys, you are not aware about the strong zones, then guys, as I said, give the mock test. जितने mock test दोगे अल्टीमेटली आपको पता चलेगा जीके सेक्शंस में कितने मार्क्स स्कोर कर रहे हो. जीके ऑल्दो आपका टाइम नहीं लेने वाला है गाइस. क्वांट, नाउ यू नीड शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स देयर, राइट. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग काफ़ी अच्छा सेक्शन है गाइस एंड यू कैन मेक इट स्ट्रॉन्गर वन to score more marks. Now 30 from these two, 40 from GK and 30 from your English section. Now what exactly and where exactly you have to focus more to grab more and more marks. So guys, if you are not aware about all these things, then find out by giving the number of mock tests and have a look at the paper pattern guys. Components, English proficiency 30 questions, mathematical and logical reasoning again 30 questions, general awareness. Now most focus you have to give at this particular point because 40 questions, and as it has the sectional cutoff 35%, that is nothing but the 14 marks for general, EWS, Kashmiri migrant and armed force candidate, 30% 12 marks for OBC, NC and PWD, and no sectional cutoff for SC ST. So guys, focus more on general awareness क्योंकि यहाँ से आप maximum score achieve कर सकते हो, right. So 70 plus ये आपका टारगेट होना ही चाहिए and cover overall current affairs part. Okay guys, current affair parts, and it will help you in the extemporary part. Either they include online assessment or the Tissnet or Tisspat, then guys it will help you out. So first of all, out of 100 target 70 plus, and कौन सा आपका strong zone है उसे अभी बना लो guys. Separate sectional courses are there like English, mathematics and logical reasoning, general awareness, GI, all sectional wise courses you can get. So join TIS High Season 2 workshop we have launched for the Tissnet 2022. These all topic will be covered under this particular workshop. Overview, static GK part 1, static GK part 2, most of the question asked in 2022. What questions might be asked from the static GK for 2022 exam. English, current affairs 1 and 2 covering overall current affairs. Arithmetic 1, arithmetic 2, geometry, mensuration, data interpretation and the logical reasoning. Okay guys, so join this particular program, and if you are lacking in any particular section, then you can join our sectional wise courses. So come over here, buy online section, and then come to the TIS Entrance. Now full course, book, study materials, mock tests and sectional wise course, these all are the programs guys. So first of all, judge yourself how much attention you should require now because only 10 to 12 days are left, right. So to give the number of mock tests, 25 full length mock tests you can get over here and 10 sectional mock tests. Tissnet 2020 10 full length mock tests, and if you want to evaluate as per the topic or the section, then you can enroll for this particular test over here. Thereafter, like in any particular section, then guys, sectional course for the quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English, DIDS, DC and static GK and current affair parts. Guys, we all have some strong zones and weak zones. So if quantitative aptitude is your strong zone, then score maximum marks over here. See guys, weak zones को आप बेहतर नहीं बना पा रहे हो, डोंट वरी, लेकिन आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन को इतना बेहतर बना दो क्योंकि आपके वहां मैक्सिमम चांसेस आ सके, राइट. सो दीज ऑल आर द कोर्सेस ओवर हियर. स्टिल प्रिपरेशन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, देन गाइज यू कैन एनरोल फॉर द टर्बो पैकेज or the mini package, and here you will get 358 video lectures, 110 handouts, and the 10 mock tests for the practice purpose. So guys, that's all from today's video. Any doubts, just ask me in the below comment section. We'll try to answer all of your queries. And if you are looking for the Tissnet 2023, then guys, we already started classroom coaching at Mumbai, so you can call on respective numbers and book your seat at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar center. For Pan India students, you can call on this particular number and you can join our live classes, or you can visit our website. Follow our social media handles for all the exam updates and notifications, such as on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.